Hi. So in this video, I would like to discuss about average if function. So average if function average the value on the basis of single condition. This is just like sum if function. Way to apply the average if function is just like sum if function. So, but difference between average if and sum if is in average if we get the average value on single condition, whereas in sum if we will get some value on the basis of single condition. So let's see how we can apply the average if function in this data set. So here is my data sets. Sorry, here is my data sets. This is a data for cells. So here I will apply the average if function, and then I will let you know how we can apply the average ifs function. So here I need to calculate average sales and profit through the average if function. So my condition is single. This is a region. So my condition is region here. So only one condition we have. So on the basis of region, you have to calculate the sales value and profit value. So how we can apply the function? In average if function, so here I'm applying average if function first. Average if function. So in average if function, we have to pass three parameters. My first parameter is range. Second parameter is criteria. Third parameter is average range. So what is range? So before taking range, you should identify what is our criteria, on the basis of which value I need to calculate the average. So on the basis of region, I need to calculate the average sales. So criteria is region. So same range you have to take from data set as a range. As a range, you need to take region reference from data sets. So my region is in n column. So I have selected n column, frised it, comma, my criteria is region, because here I have taken the average range as a region. So my criteria will be region. Okay. So here I need to take reference of region, and here I need to freeze column. Press F4 3 times, comma, average range. So you have to go there and take average sales. So you have to go to take complete range of sales, freeze it, bracket close, and enter. So you can see here I have calculated the average sales on the basis of this region. Now here we have multiple decimal places. I want to take only 2 decimals. So you have to select the reference. Then you have to click on this options. So now I will take only 2 decimal places here. Now I will calculate the profit value on the basis of region. So again, you will have to apply average if. So here I'm selecting average if. Again, 3 parameters. Your condition is region. As a range, you have to take complete range of region from data sets. So here I'm taking a reference of region from n column, freezed it, comma, criteria. So you have to go there and take criteria as a region, freezed here, column 1, 2, 3, F4 I have pressed to freeze our reference, comma, average range. What I have to calculate here? Average profit. So you have to go to data sets and take complete range of profit. So you have to take complete range of profit from I column. Freezed it, bracket close, enter. So see here, this is the average profit value. Okay, again I'm getting multiple data decimal place. So you need to reduce the decimal place from this options. I have taken only 2 decimal place. So this is a very easy function. Now I let you know how we can apply average ifs function on the basis of multiple conditions. So you can see here average sales on multiple condition. So here is my 2 conditions. My first condition is region. Second condition is product category. This is a product category. So how we can apply the average ifs function? In average ifs function, you can take multiple parameters, but first reference will be average range. Whereas in this function, in average if function, I have taken average range at last parameter. But in average ifs function, I need to take average range on first parameter. Okay. So this is the average range. So I need to calculate sales. Here I have written average sales on multiple conditions. So you have to go there in data sets and take complete range of sales from F column. Here press F4 or F4 or function F4, comma. Then you have to take complete range of region. So I'm taking complete range of region, pressed it, comma, then you have to take first criteria. My criteria is this region, phrased here, column, because my F column is fixed for this list of the region, but row is not fixed. That's why I have not phrased 5 as a row, but column I have phrased, comma. Second criteria is, second criteria is product category. So you have to go there and take complete range of product category. So here P column has product category. Phrased it, comma, then you have to go there and take product category is this one. Phrased here. Why I'm freezing here row? Because row 4 is fixed for all these criteria. That's why I have freezed here row. Column is movement. GHI. Bracket close. Enter. So you can see here I'm getting average sales value on the basis of 2 conditions. If you have 3 conditions, you can take. So here I'm reducing the decimal place. So this is the 2 decimals. I'm going to add one more condition as a year. I want to take average value on the basis of year, on the basis of region, on the basis of product category. So I want to segregate the average value on the basis of year also. So I will add one more condition here. So first I will take data reference as a year 2009, 10, 11, 12. Why I'm taking a 9, 10, 11, 12? Because in my data sets, we have only 4 years data. So you can see here order date 9, 10, 11, 12. So same drop down list I will take. So here I'm taking drop down list manually. So here data, go to data validation, data validation. Here you need to take list, and here I will take 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. Click on OK. Then you have to take this one, and here I will take, here I'm taking this one, and here I'm selecting 1 year. Now I have selected year 2009, but data is not changing because I have not added this condition into our function. So what you have to do, how we can match the year, but in our data set, we don't have year. Okay. So what you have to do, you need to add a new column year. You need to apply here year function, take reference of order date, or you can take ship date also. Bracket close, enter. Now you can see here I'm getting year. Control D. So this is the year list. So from this year list, I will match the year condition. So you have to go there, and here you have to press F2 for editing the function. So remove the last bracket and you have to add one more criteria range. This is the criteria range 3. So you have to take criteria range 3 as a year. So you have to take complete range, freeze it, comma, then you have to go there and you have to take reference of year, freeze it, enter. Now you can see here I'm getting average value on the basis of three conditions. First condition is region, second condition is product category, third condition is year. Now whenever I will change the year, then your average value will change. You can see here I'm getting changed value. So this is the little bit advanced. I have applied multiple criteria here. Now, so this is done. So here I'm giving you one task for you. So what you have to calculate on the basis of this shipping mode, you have to calculate the shipping cost. So here I'm taking shipping mode, Alt M to remove the duplicate value. Now you have three shipping cost. So what you have to do, you need to calculate the shipping cost. So in shipping cost, you have to apply average shipping cost. Okay. So you have to take average shipping cost here. So this is your task to apply the average if function. Now same way you have to calculate the average shipping cost on the basis of multiple conditions. So here you need to take 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012. Now I'm taking this format. Done. So on the basis of different year, you have to calculate the shipping cost. So here I'm just writing. Here I just merge it. Merged average shipping ship cost. And here I will change the color. So this is the color. Average ship cost on multiple condition, and here I'm taking Control C, Alt S, T, done. Now merging this cell. So this is the task you have to do it. Yes. So this task you have to do it. In case you face any issue, then you can discuss with me. You can comment on that video. I will let you know. Okay. Thank you so much for this video.